Where are we going?
Imperial Ramyun.
What's up? Okay, we came here to try the
Ramyun.
No,
That's a Ramyun.
no, the Imperial ball thing.
Lunar Blossom.
Yeah, lunar, and look what are we having here. How excited are you to try the what's that called? The lunar ball thing? Yeah, whatever.
That's not a ball.
Yeah, the lunar blossom.
That's not a ball. I'm just hungry, so I'll just eat whatever I can.
And you?
Not excited.
But I would love to see it blossom.
Ready with the phones?
Yeah.
So good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
Let's take it. Okay, I'm going to finish even your test.
Heaven. Heaven. You have to eat it, no. Just start eating it.
A few moments later.
Carving into the plate. You too? Hey guys, thanks for watching. As you know, I've been doing a lot of travel videos lately. It's been a while that I'm here in Chicago, and a friend of mine suggested me to go to this place called Imperial Ramyun. The address is 6 West Hubbard Street, Chicago. And I mentioned that in the description as well. Hold on guys. Hello? Yeah? Sorry guys. He asked me to try this one of the best desserts in Chicago called the Lunar Blossom. It is basically a huge ball. So, oh yeah, something like this on a huge plate. And you know, this guy just came and dripped the chocolate syrup over that, and it was a beauty to look at. You know, inside the ball it was basically a soft cake with vanilla ice cream on that with some almonds and walnuts and whatnot. I personally loved it a lot. అసలు చెప్పాలంటే చూడనికి ఎంత మంచిగా ఉందో తినేటప్పుడు కూడా అంతే అనిపిస్తుందప్ప. It was so good. The cake, it just melts in your mouth. It is wonderful. That's about it guys. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you want me to try any new place or here in Chicago, let me know. I'll try to make the videos, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.